So you want to learn how to install epoxy floors? I'm the guy that's going to show you all the steps that you need to know. Hey everyone, I'm Tyler with Leggari Products. I'm going to show you how to transform your floor from this to this, proving that you don't need to be a professional to get professional results. Epoxy floor coatings can be a complex thing with different substrates, different issues that might arise. If you want to learn how to do them successfully, we're going to show you a lot of different circumstances that you might encounter on your project and show you how to navigate them like a pro. So there's lots of different ways you can install an epoxy floor. For this particular floor, we're going to show you a cool technique. It requires a thicker pour, but it creates more dynamic effects in your floor. So you're going to see us pour the product out randomly, and then we're going to push it and blend it with just a roller. We're not going to do a base coat. We're not going to do a highlight. It's all poured at once and moved and blended, and that's how we create these cool dynamic looks. Now that your floor is hard enough to walk on, it's time to add the finishing touch, the top coat. This is gonna make your floors last for years. This top coat is like a layer of armor for your floor. It adds incredible durability. All epoxy scratches, anytime you have a glass smooth finish, it's gonna highlight the scratches even more, and that's why we always recommend applying a top coat.
Video.
And there you have it, a professional looking floor, but the most important part is it's durable and it's gonna last for years, and everyone's gonna be asking, did you hire someone to do it? And if you're looking to get into this industry and start a career or a new business, go to LeggariAcademy.com. It's filled with decades of experience, expert tips, and it's gonna save you years of trial and error. Okay, tired of this. Ready? Tired of this? What about that?